Hi, I'm Jeff Kashou. I'm Senior Clinical Product Lead here at Upheal, and I'm also a licensed marriage and family therapist. I'm excited to show you how to add smart sections into your custom note templates. In order to do this, we're going to navigate over to the template section, and you can actually open up an existing custom template that you've created to add these smart sections to it. But today we're going to start with a new template. When you go to add section, one thing you're going to notice is this enhanced, cleaner, and faster section picker. Just makes it easy to scroll through and see the descriptions or to find the section that you want. We're going to go ahead and start with Smart Section today. This is the area where you're going to add your custom prompt. So let's say I want one specific for ERP. I can name it. That's the heading that'll appear in the note for you. And then here you're going to see what I expect to see in this section, including, like, let's say the SUDs for the client as they describe it in the session. I want that specifically captured. What I've also included, and this is optional, but is a sample of how I write this so that the system can capture my style and my tone in the note for me. Now, instead of having to wait for your first note to be written to see what this is going to look like, we can actually preview the section using some dummy data in our system so that you can see exactly what it looks like and you can toggle between editing and the preview to get it exactly how you want. You can even add formatting instructions like you want something to be bolded or you want something to be bulleted. Here's an example where I said I want 3 to 5 quotes listed in bullet format, and I also want some themes and 3 to 5 words only in bold. Let's take a look at what that looks like. You can notice also you can add multiple smart sections to your notes as well. And so there you have it. So we're very excited for you to have this feature in your hands. We hope that it saves you a lot of time and also makes your notes higher quality and to your specific liking. One other thing that I want to show you is that when you add something like, let's say, interventions with categories, you're going to notice this icon here that says balanced. What that means is that the length of this section will have the instructions to be kind of balanced between being brief and detailed, and that's going to be default. You can set it a little bit more brief. You can set it to be a little bit more detailed. We know that we've had feedback that sometimes our notes can be a little long for some people and they have to use Smart Edit a lot to edit them down. So now we give you some control here, and this will be the default for every one of your notes going forward with this template. And we give you that preview of what that's going to look like. And then one other thing that's coming with this is the enhanced ability to copy and paste specific sections. So what we've added is the ability to copy this specific section, and you can see it highlights what's going to be copied for you. And when you click on it, you get the affirmative green button that says it's been copied, or sorry, green icon. And this will go section by section. So that's a little bit more useful when you're copying into specific sections in your EHR. You're not having to highlight a whole bunch and get really specific. Just another thing to make your life a little bit easier. Anyways, we hope you like all these changes and especially the smart sections we're very excited about. And please let us know what you think.